Hello everybody, it's Sergeant Ribeye, and today I'm going to be presenting to you probably the #1 best working tutorial on how to make an Unblocked Games Google site. So I just did this earlier at school today. It took me like 15 seconds. I got like hundreds of games. It's really easy. So like you just make a new site. Don't need to call it anything. You could just call it like, I don't know, like English study site. You know, they name their stuff that to like try to trick the site blockers into not blocking their stuff. You can just call it that. And just like study your English. And then what you're gonna do after that is first you go to look up source code for like your favorite game site. Like a good one is GN Math. That's what I will be using as an example. You look up GN Math code. And you go to Plunker, and then you scroll all the way down. First, if you click to run, it shows you all these games. So you can just get all those if you just copy and paste this code and put it there. Go to embed code, put it in. And then here it is, and then you just insert it, spread it out, just a little bit more space, and you got all these games. And now we can just let's see how I do this. First you gotta publish it, and then just call it that, and then just go to view published site if you want to go check it out. And then look, you can just scroll through here and you got all these games. And since you use the source code and not a website on Google sites, you have access to all these completely unblocked no matter where you're accessing it from. You got Snow Rider 3D. Press close, go open up another game like Geometry Dash. And this works with any unblocked game, so you don't just have to use GN Math for this. And if they figure out about your unblocked game site, just make it completely new. You can go all the way back here, and then you just immediately do the same process. You can literally call it the same thing. You can like call it #2, and then like just English study site #2, study for English. Terrible grammar, but whatever. And then just go to embed code. You just take the same code, just put it in there. So whenever it gets blocked, you just have the same exact thing again. You can just put it in there, and it's #1 way to get your game sites. So yeah, that's really the entire tutorial. And I'm Sergeant Ribeye. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe if you want. You really don't have to. And this is like my first tutorial. So yeah.